all, so welcome to the today's tutorial. Today we will majorly see what and how we can see how we can manage the flat thing and the UI, which is really important, right? So in previous tutorial we have seen how we can set up the POI, the landmark actor, roads, and how we can edit the details for them. So for the flat, actually, we don't have the data table, and the reason being is because if you do want to customize something up right at runtime, if we will take anything from the data table, we have to create the bill again, right? So that was not the wise idea. So what we did, we created the spreadsheet. So here I have the spreadsheet called Digital Archive, and here we have 6 options: the plot name, booking status, price, directional facing, bedroom count, and the area, right? And what you can do, you can just copy this, and this service called sheetdb.io, which is free. You can just log in, click on this create new API, paste this, and create the API. What it will do, it will give you the endpoint URL. You can just copy, right? Now go to that UI main, which is inside the plugin UI, and go to the main. So this is the main UI which is responsible to showcase everything down. If you do want to change the feel of the software, you can change this UI. And I will click on this filter UI object, click here, and here I am fetching. So I will click on this. This was just for testing. I will remove it here. So what it will do, it will fetch the details from the API which we have provided. And once it has fetched everything, it will do it and put it a response. So this is the JSON response actually. Not the JSON, but the flat unit details. Okay. And the flat unit details, it's an array, and it is the tmap actually. So if I do want to showcase the code, it is just that tmap. You can see the dictionary of string and string, right? So as soon as we are fetching, first it will be like for each map, it will fetch the map, right? And it's an array. So what it will do, for each it will go to that sheet which you have added, and for each column it will give you this map. So in our case, I think it used 4 if I'm not wrong. So what I will do, I will add the debug point. I will use my dummy API, will run that, and here you can see I have the tmap array, and here you can see I have the tmap. Like I have area, bedroom count, booking status, direction, plot name, and the price. So plot name is the exact name which we are providing in the plot actor, and this is all the relevant information of this particular plot, right? And this is the next again. So this is just array. So I will continue this, remove the point. So what I'm doing, actually I'm just searching for the plot name if it is available here in the scene. If I will click on flat unit, anyone, right? I can go and check. We have the provided flat unit UID, which is unique for every flat, right? If I will click any flat, it will give you that flat unit ID. Okay, we will come back to here. It is choosing that flat, and it is setting the material. You remember when we were showcasing the flat from the filter, it was giving the different color, the blue, the green, and the red. You can customize it here. Okay, I will just continue this, and it fetched everything. If I click on unit search, you see it is giving me all these options. So we have price, area, directional facing, and the booking status, right? So this is already set. So now we will see how we can set this up. So I have uh, a map, And inside this map, we have a variable called price. And we have already add the setting for it called price, right? So I will just go find the reference. You're not using it, is it? Is it? Okay. So what I will do, I will open my Chrome again just to show you guys what we are dealing with. So we have price, we have booking status, plot name, and the bedroom count. And the interesting thing is we don't have the bedroom count here. So we will add one more. So here you can see for the filter, we already have some templates, right? If I will click it here, I will click search, and here we have three type of options. This is min max, which is and the name is called UI flat template underscore range. Here we have the options, and here we have the multiple selection. So these are the three type. You can create your own. So we will check what we are doing in min max actually. So we have something called in the setting. If you will go, we have the something called variable name. So example, in our case we have price, right? And we do want to put the filter on the price like minimum and then maximum. That's why we are choosing this range, and in the variable name we will give the price, right? So here this is price. Here you can see I have put the variable name, and the thing is done. So you don't have to do anything, just provide the variable name and it will do the task because it is min max. So it know what it has to do. It will search all the flat, will see what is the minimum value for the price, what the maximum value for the price, and it will solve everything. And it is not important, like the name can be anything, but the variable name will be different, right? So price, this is for area. Here this is directional facing. So here you can see we have again used the template, which is the multiple selection type, because if you remember in the main we were using the direction, which, so if I'm playing this in the unit search, you can see we have the direction which can be, multiple one. So, and we are already using the directional facing, right? Let's imagine I do want to use the bedroom count. I will just copy the value. We'll duplicate this actually, flat filter. I will copy and paste it here again and give the name. Nope. What was the name again? Bedroom count. Copy, paste. Okay. Next is min max, and I think everything, finger crossed, everything should be good. Let's play now. Unit search, and you can see we have the bedroom count also, and the filter will work like you want it. And the amazing thing is you can create your own filters. It's not important, like it's not mandatory that you will use ours only, because you can create your own. So just go any of these example template here. What I'm doing, I'm into the pre-construction, I'm just setting the set, and here in apply filter, this is really important. This is the main crux. So you can go through this and create your own filter. You can make it very much complex, and you can create your own idea, right? So I think now you get the gist how you can set the UI up, how you can customize it, and how you can also edit the flat details if you want. So this was it for now, and yep. And let me know if you do want to customize something up, you do want to create something inside this tool, and I will do that. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.